ito na yung French toast slices of bananas. Ayan, slice natin. Ayan. Ayan na. So, meron ng pang breakfast at pang snack o kaya merienda. Ayan. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to make my breakfast, slices of bananas toast bread. So, ito yung mga ingredients. Ito yung slices of bananas and then 1 piece of sliced cheese. Hinati ko ito. And then, half cup of evaporated milk. Ang gamit ko ay yung fresh milk ng buffalo. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 whole egg. So, ayan, start na natin ang paggawa ng breakfast or pwede din itong pang merienda. You can use butter, but I don't have available butter, so I put little oil here. So, oil is already hot, so I put now this bread. Now, we can put these slices of bananas, table bananas. Ayan. Occupy lahat natin yung ano dito, yung lahat dito sa center. Ayan na. And then, isa na naman. Now, we can put these eggs. Ayan. And then, next, ilagay natin yung cheese. Ayan. And then, yung piece ng bread. Ayan. And then, i-pull natin. Ganyan. Ayan. I already changed sides, so next we have to do is we have to keep this all together. So, ayan na, change side ko na. So, ito na yung second batch. Ayan. Ito yung 2 slices at saka ito 2 slices naman ito. So, pagsamahin natin ito lahat dito sa dito. And then, slice natin para makapag-breakfast na. Let's have a snack again because time now here in Pakistan is 10:35 AM. Kanina pa ako nag-breakfast. Ito yung kalahati ay inalmusal ko kanina with black coffee. So, ito naman with juice, yung tang. And then, may sugar na ito. Nilagyan ko na din ng yung tang powder. And then, lagyan natin ng kunting eggshell powder. Ayan. Para maganda ang buto-buto natin. Because these eggshells are very rich in calcium. Ayan, mix natin mabuti para matunaw yung eggshells powder. Ayan, snack tayo, drink tayo ng juice na may eggshell powder, tang powder at saka sugar. At saka ito yung toast bread na may slices of banana. So, ayan. Kain tayo. Bismillah, wala barakatillah. Silang nga tulog pa. At saka si Fahad. Sila kain naman nandun sa baba. Si Fahad na pumasok sa school. Kasi Monday ngayon, December 11 yata ngayon. 11 pa ngayon.